Hey everybody, it's me, Kelly Hernandez again. I'm going to be talking about step 3, which is uploading your first YouTube video. We're going to talk about step 2, what goes exactly in your YouTube video description, what do you have to put in there, and the step 5, we're going to be creating a thumbnail and the website that I use to remove that background and what things that I feel would help that thumbnail and catch the YouTube viewer's eye. So let's begin with step 3, uploading your first YouTube video. So first we're going to log into our YouTube account. I'm going to log into my training YouTube account. So here I have it. I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on your channel. So here today, I actually changed this up a little bit. So before I think I had Hernandez training and then I had training here. So I decided to change my YouTube banner. So I put training with Hernandez successful how-to videos because this channel will be mainly for you guys. If you don't have the Facebook, you can also come here on YouTube. So in the YouTube banner, I put subscribe and I changed the font a little bit. So also let's talk about the About Me section. Before I told you that I wrote a brief description in my About Me section, I did that just because for the purposes I was doing it very easy. I was doing a very easy step-by-step video, but here I actually took the time to actually do my description. So what I put here is my name is Kelly, I'm 29 years old, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Training with Hernandez, Successful How-To Videos. The reason why I created this channel was with the goal to motivate others in how to try new things with proper training. This channel will have a variety of topics. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, and I hope you enjoy the content I have to share with all of you. Happy watching, and please subscribe. You see how this is it's straight to the point. You introduce yourself, you talk about what the channel is about, the reason why you created this channel, and always close it up with thank you for watching, thank you for taking the time. You're happy that you're able to share your videos with the YouTubers, and always say please subscribe. I always say please because it sounds polite. So I changed this. Also, whenever you change your description, like About Me section, or even your description in your videos, I suggest to always make a Word document and save it, because you never know if something could happen if you want to go back to what you wrote before and just add it up and like spruce it up a little bit. So always keep a file in your computer and always name it also. You can also put the date so you can have something to refer back to if you want to change anything you put in that section, the About Me section or a YouTube description. Okay, so let's go back to my channel. Here I'm going to videos. So here I already uploaded my first video because I just want to have this video ready to go when I did the training. So how do I upload this video? How did I do it? All right, so I am actually going to go, if you go up here, you're going to see this little video recorder. You're going to click on it. It's going to say create a video or post. You're going to click on it, go live or upload video. You're going to choose upload video. Then you're going to do select file. Also in my computer, I organize everything. So here's for my my business. I do YouTube intro backgrounds. I do my thumbnail that we're going to talk about later on. So everything's categorized here. So here I do YouTube videos. So what I do, I'm not going to actually do it. I'm just going to show you because I already uploaded my first video. So I take it and I click it here. I'm just going to do it for this purpose, actually, so it's easier. So I'm going to do open. and it's gonna put the video right there. Also, what I could tell you is title. Don't do such a lengthy title. I've learned a lot of YouTubers, professionals that say, don't write such a lengthy title, because if you were to view this on your phone, it will cut off the title if it's too long. So something that catches the eye. I believe I put adding. So I did adding like this, and I put business to Pinterest. You see, it's very, very brief. It's not like a huge sentence. Then you say what you want for your description of your video. I already wrote this before, so I'm just going to copy this, what I wrote, and I will discuss what each sentence and what I put in here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to my video description. I'm going to paste it. Now let's talk about what I wrote here. I wrote, in each video description, each video post, it's going to have a different description. So here we put, in this how-to video, I will teach you how to add a business profile to your personal Pinterest account. I'll be talking about the steps that need to be taken in detail in order to achieve this. I'm also a beauty influencer for pharmacy. So this is why I decided to use graphics of pharmacy, as well include my pharmacy website link that is linked to the pinned photo in this video. Also, it's always good that you put your pharmacy website in here, because that is a good way to bring traffic to your Pinterest account, correct? Then I was reading that it's good to put equipment used. I put my personal model of my laptop I used. I wrote Dell Inspiron 153,000 touchscreen. Also, I put here the video was edited in screen record with Filmora 9. Also, I put, if people are interested, when they watch my video, where they can download this certain program. So I put the URL link. It's always good when you put in those descriptions. People will wonder what editing software you use, or if you're wearing a certain clothing, if you're in a video. A lot of YouTubers put like, this shirt is from ... So that's why I put that. It's always good to be helpful for those viewers. Also, I put, check out my Pinterest account, and so then I linked it there. Okay. So right now, since it's a duplicate video, that's why it's saying that. So I'm just going to X out of that, and I'm not going to upload that video. I'm actually going to delete it. Okay. So that was that part. If I went too fast, just let me know. So here we have the first YouTube video. We uploaded it. It looks great. So I'm going to actually show you the details of my video, since the other one kind of kicked me out. So here you see, I read this part, the pharmacy website, the equipment I used, video editing, screen record with Filmora 9, the download link, so they know, so they'll be able to have access to the exact program I used, my Pinterest account. I always write a disclaimer, because I want people to know, and this also protects you. I put the disclaimer, I am not a professional trainer for Pinterest. I have been on Pinterest for some time, and I would like to share my knowledge with others. Ending it with, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click that notification button so you can be notified when I upload more how-to videos. Always thank your audience for viewing that video. Always make it to public, and you have the option also if the video is good for an audience of children. Okay, so there's that. And then you have the age restriction and all of that. Tags, it's always good to put tags, like I put hashtag Pinterest, hashtag business, hashtag successful, hashtag how-to videos. You can put more hashtags, up to 500 hashtags, but right now we're just going to say, just keep it as it is. Also, in your title, you can also include hashtags, but we'll talk about that later in the algorithm. So that's going to be another step later on, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Now we're going to talk about, well, Kelly, how did you put that picture there? If you go on YouTube channels, you see a lot of people before you view their videos, they have either a still picture and then it has writing over it and you know what they're going to talk about. It's always good to do this. Why? If you don't really have a thumbnail and people are going down that, scrolling down the videos, more than likely you're going to click on the video that has it like a little Pinterest icon and it says adding business to Pinterest, because you know what it's going to be about, correct? Okay, so let me show you how we do that lovely thumbnail. So here also there's a program. I'm actually going to have to add it to my description post of my video. So I go to www.removebg.com, background.com. You can make an account. You don't have to. I didn't make an account for this purpose because this is concentrating on uploading that first YouTube video. Upload image. Okay, so I'm just going to pick the picture I put before. So I chose this picture. As you can see, it has the picture with, it removes the background. It's quite clean. You're going to click edit and it has all these options. You can have a black background. So once you do that, so you have that, you download it, you save it to your computer, then you go here, and then I believe, trying to see where the thumbnail is, more options. Let's see, where's that thumbnail? Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to end the video here because I don't want it to be too long. And then when I start the next video, we're going to go talk more in depth of the thumbnail and that removebg.com, that website. So thank you for watching. This is steps 3 to 4. So steps 3 and 4. And I hope you enjoy it. And we'll make the next step 5, the last step for today, in the next video. Thank you for watching. And this is Kelly Hernandez.